Hi. Welcome back to Margaret Country Crafts and Miniatures. My name is Catherine, and thank you for clicking on this video. Today, I have something different for you. We have a Dollar Tree haul. I went to Dollar Tree, and I'm going to show you the box of good stuff, good crafting stuff that I got. So first off, I got this 2-pick set of little uh, burlap bunnies. I also got another pick that has the rear of a rabbit. I thought it was really cute. And we also have some fabric carrots, which are just going to be great for decor, which is mainly what I'm going to use it for Easter decor. This one has like a burlap look. And I also got some of their Easter eggs that come in this net bag. I'm either going to use these as they are or I'm going to paint over them. Um, that might be a future DIY. And then I have another one of that bunny rabbit butt, but this time in pink. And I have these little craft kits. I found these little craft kits. Um, they're like little pom-poms. I'm going to mainly use them for the pom-poms. And also in the Valentine section, some velvet ribbon. This one's white, and I'm just going to put this in my stash. Maybe I'll use it for Easter, maybe I won't. But either way, I couldn't pass up these Valentine's finds that I did not find before Valentine's, unfortunately. And also these Valentine's little mini buckets I think will be good for spring for Easter DIYs. I can paint over the little hearts. And another velvet ribbon. This one's in a really nice pink. 1 yard of ribbon, which is a good amount. And I just love the look of velvet ribbon. I just love the look of it. It looks so luxe, so luxurious. And so next we have some fabric rolls by Crafter Square. This one's in a nice turquoise, and it's like a shorter pilled kind of fabric. Nice and fluffy and soft, of course, but I think we can maybe use it for some DIYs for Easter. And I have another one of those craft kits. I mainly just wanted it to have the pom-poms. I'm not actually going to make those little crafts. And we have some roll of fabric again, but this one's more of a fluffier purple fabric. And can't forget the third burlap carrot that I bought. These will be nice for decor. And the last two fabric rolls that I got, one was Crafter Square, and the other one seems to be a different brand on it, something in Vine. But they're both white fabric. One is a longer, fluffier fabric, and the other one is a shorter, softer fabric. But I think these will be good to use for crafting for Easter. And so I also got in their fairy garden section, I got these little faux stone bridges. I think these will be really great with the little miniature Easter set that I want to make for Easter. I have one for Christmas. I have one that I made for fall as well. And I think it's time that we make a little miniature Easter diorama. And so each one kind of has like the little miniature basket, a well, little pond. Um, they even have little mini duck and swan in it as well. This one has a wooden bridge. I really like the wooden bridge. I think that's cute. And these will go great in my little Easter diorama. And they had these great MDF, thick MDF wood pieces. So it is MDF, but then they put a layer of wood right on top of it, so that it does have the wood look to it. I got two of these standing Easter egg ones. These will be great to DIY with, to craft with. I got two of these carrots. I tend to buy everything in twos or threes. Just for decorating, I find it's nicer to have symmetry. Um, so if one side looks a certain way, I want the other side of my decor cabinet to look the same. So I tend to buy two of everything. And also, they had them in bunny rabbit cutout shapes too. So I think these will be great for Easter to do some DIY, maybe using some of the fabric that I just bought. Who knows? They also had these great resin pouring wood trays. I'm not into resin. I'm not into the resin pouring, so that's not what I'm going to be using these for. But I thought these were a great framed wood piece to make some DIY signs or craft with, maybe for my diorama. Maybe I could use the circle one. They also had the same kind of resin pouring tray, but in rectangular as well. And I know I'm kind of zoomed in, but you can get a sense that they are a really good size. They're a good size to make a sign out of. And then also in their out their outdoor gardening section, they had these wood signs sitting there. These are like a nicer, darker wood frame look. Um, an MDF back, of course, but these looked like such a nice wood framed piece that we can DIY with. And there's all my wood pieces. I was pretty stoked to get all those. And Valentine's is over, but I bought some of these that they still had out in the aisles. Um, I'm gonna put them in my stash, and hopefully I can use them next year because they're really pretty. Um, like there's decals that say Happy Valentine's Day. These would be great to use on a sign, and to just use some Mod Podge over top of it, it'd probably be really nice. And the finale piece, I got this MDF welcome sign in the shape of a bunny rabbit with a little burlap tail, a little burlap straw bow on it, and I just love the blue flower print on it. Um, Nothing's 3D about it other than the tail and the welcome. Um, but they did try to do a faux little rope around the edge as well. But I think this will be just so nice to hang up at Easter. I don't even think I'll DIY anything about it. And this is a reminder, I have a new series, so go check that out. So thanks so much for watching this quick Dollar Tree haul. I hope you'll comment down below. Tell me which piece was your favorite, which piece you would DIY or craft with yourself. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Bye bye.